We got Hunter and the wife here today, and the other two are at home playing Minecraft. But it's Sunday and got a little bit of a late start. And I just wanted to get out of the house and get up into the mountains. It's getting a little warm down in the valley, so the Explorer videos are gonna kind of peter out here once it gets hot, unless we can find something to do at elevation.
They have to. Death Valley's closed.
Yeah, and Death Valley's closed. I wanted to really go check out a couple of cabins this spring before it got too hot, and I still don't understand how you close a 6,000 square mile park. It doesn't make any sense. But anyway, we're up here in the Potosi Mountains, or the Potosi Mountains, depending on your pronunciation, and we're at the site of the old Potosi mine. This was a lead mine originally back in the the mid 1800s. But the lead was too brittle to make bullets. As mining activities increased near the Goodsprings area, this place was opened up, and lead, tin, silver was mined up in this area. And there's not much left. Some foundations. Apparently there was a tramway. Not a whole lot left. But we're gonna take that X, that's what she was talking about. That X right there is a waypoint marker for planes. Anyway, again, I apologize for the wind noise. Pretty neat. And we're making our way down this canyon, and we're gonna end up down towards Goodsprings. I don't know where this day is gonna. Really don't have any plans other than to make it to Goodsprings. We'll see. I did take a shower this morning, but we'll see where we're at once we get to where we're going, and see if we can find any silver ore. That would be cool. Find some silver. That'd be neat. Well, anyway, this fly's pissing me off. Got him. Got him. Oh, die, bitch. Oh, no. Oh, oh, no. Oh, I broke my Jeep, damn it. The blinker fell apart. Oh, the blinker fell apart. Yeah.
How'd you do that?
Oh, the little tabs that hold it in place broke. Here. Oh, there's somebody driving up the canyon right now. Or down the canyon. Alright, let's drive down that way and see where it goes. We're coming down this road right here, and that rock right there, I rolled my back tire over it, and when it dropped off, I hit my bumper here, and it popped the thing off. So I gotta fix this before I go any further. Oh, the joys. Watch out, bud. Great. Epitome of organization. Back on the road. looks like a waste rock pile there, doesn't it?
Yep.
I think it's time for some brakes on this pig. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. If I see something worth videotaping, if I see anything worth videoing, I'll turn the camera back on. Okay, we're heading that way, just over the that saddle right there. You can see the dry lake at Sandy Valley. We're not headed that far, but we're gonna make our way down this way and eventually going into Goodsprings. Beautiful day, especially up at elevation. Well, I drove a little bit further and there's the tailings pile, the waste rock pile, whatever you want to call it, and then they had a tramway that brought it down the back side of the mountain. But that's where the Potosi mine is. You want me to go up there one day? Comment in the comment section, let me know. I go up there. Alright, we're coming into the little town of Goodsprings. I haven't been down here. We haven't been down here in a long time. Check this out. It's probably all closed because of Rona. Breaking the law. Oh, it's a park.
They don't have any roads across anything.
Yeah. Clark County. Nice little park. Getting your haircut badly. And a new microphone. What's this? Oh, the Yellow Pine Railroad. That's what Goodsprings looked like back in the day. There was a mill up here. Where was the mill site at? The Yellow Pine. I think I know where that's at. Oh, I know where that's at right now. I'll go check that out in a minute. But let's go downtown Goodsprings and show you another spot that has some historical significance. The Pioneer Saloon is not only a favorite watering hole for all the local bikers in Las Vegas on their little weekend jaunts out to a little dirt town called Goodsprings, but this was also the rallying point back in 1942 when Carol Lombard's plane crashed into Mount Potosi, or Potosi, depending on your pronunciation. Carol Lombard was married to, what was his name? Clark Gable.
Yep.
And Clark Gable hung out here while the rescue efforts to recover his wife's body were going on. They never did recover Carol's body. The plane slammed into the face of a mountain at however fast a DC-3 flies. But the saloon still survives to this day. It looks like it's under new management. It was for sale a few years ago for I think $3 million. I think it was $3 million. The cafe's new. Oh, lady, that mask ain't gonna help you. Okay. And then over here, I have to move, is the mill site. Come on, you piece of... Just gotta talk me into it. What do you say? Should we go get a vantage point?
No.
You make that easy. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I gotta run into a rattlesnake down here in this wash. Okay, so I'm not going to venture too far because it's probably private property. You can see what's left of the railroad grade, the small gauge railroad, and the foundations for the mill up there. Gotta fix that. I think we could head in. Do you want to go see the Seven Sisters or Seven whatever things?
Whatever you want to do, dude.
Well, I think we'll.
It's probably closed.
How can you close an open
It's an
air art
attraction. I know, it's
thing?
an attraction. They closed Death Valley. I don't know. Probably closed.
Anyway, we'll run down Las Vegas Boulevard. Maybe we'll even make it as far as the Strip and see how vacant the Strip is.
If it's not closed.
Yeah, well, they can't close the Strip. It's a road. Okay, let's go. Still doesn't fix itself. I did a video on this place a couple years ago. I'll put a link up there if you want to learn more about it. They were supposed to take it down in 2018 and they didn't. They lied. It's too hot out there.
It's too hot.
Yes.
You sure?
Yep. Let's go back to the Strip. Social distancing. Social distancing. There you go, trip down the Strip. That was weird. Because usually that place on a weekend is a complete and utter zoo. It's weird just to see everything shut down.
You're able to drive it in what, less than 15 minutes?
Something like that. So you got a little bit of everything in today's video. A little bit of off-road adventure, a little bit of artsy bit of Las Vegas Strip. So if you like the video, hammer away the like button, share it with your best social media network. It helps the channel a lot. I don't remember how to switch highways here, dear. Okay. LA, there we go. click the subscribe button. Please click the little bell icon that's right next to it. That way YouTube will let me know the next time I upload a video. So until next time, you guys stay safe, shoot safe, goodbye today. That's my day. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.